there, I'm Cassie Zhang, your partner who simplifies foreign business in China. If you're a foreign business in China, the VAT refund process can seriously impact your cash flow and profits. Here's what you need to know to stay on track. China's VAT system is complex, and for foreign enterprises, the refund process can be particularly challenging. Delays or mistakes can lead to financial setbacks. The process involves meticulous documentation and strict compliance. Common issues include inconsistent documents, supplier verification problems, and understanding the specific refund models applicable to your business. These challenges can delay refunds or even result in denials. Let's talk about it. Ensure accurate paperwork. First and foremost, accuracy in your documentation is vital. All your paperwork, especially customs declaration forms, must match with your purchase invoices exactly. This includes items' names, units, and quantities. Any discrepancies can cause delays or invalidate your refund claim. Coordinate closely with your suppliers to ensure consistency across all documents. Understand supplier verification. For trading companies, for example, China tax authorities conduct thorough checks on your suppliers. They verify if your suppliers have the necessary production capabilities, maintain proper purchase invoices for materials, rent, and utilities, and employ adequate labor. They may also require evidence of transportation and transaction authenticity. Ensuring your suppliers are compliant is crucial to avoid complications in your VAT refund process. Choose the right VAT refund model. China offers two main VAT refund models: Model A for manufacturing companies and Model B for trading companies. Model A is relatively easier, allowing manufacturers to reclaim VAT paid on all raw materials and other production-related expenses. Model B, however, is more strict, with stricter regulations and controls. It's essential to understand which model applies to your business and comply accordingly. Be aware of VAT refund differences. Not all suppliers charge the full 13% VAT on invoices. Some may offer a lower VAT rate to keep their prices competitive, absorbing part of the VAT cost themselves. I don't think it will create issues for the buyer. Only if the supplier fails to pass the tax inspection, you could end up bearing the full 13% VAT cost. Navigating China's VAT refund process requires careful attention to detail and strict adherence to the regulations. By ensuring accurate paperwork, verifying supplier compliance, choosing the appropriate refund model, and understanding VAT rate implications, you can streamline the refund process and protect your business from potential financial risks. If you need assistance with the VAT refund process or you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.